In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate images in Perplexity AI on mobile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go ahead and download and install Perplexity AI from your app or Play Store, then sign into your account or create a new account. From here, you're going to be greeted by this page where it's going to say ask anything. So this is where you can ask them to generate an image of whatever you like. So what I want them to generate is generate an image of a male sitting in front of a casino with a suitcase or suitcases full of money. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that send button. And now it's going to go researching. Then it will say create an image depicting a man with a suitcase full of money. So here's the image that they're creating. So I'm just going to pause this video and get back to you and time how long this is going to take them to do it. Okay, so it's probably a minute, as you can see by the timestamp up here. So if I scroll down from here, we can go ahead and download that image by clicking the download button. And also if we click on the share button, we can share this as well. So we can share this to friends or family or download it onto your mobile device.